Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hopefully am going to keep this video shorter than the previous videos that I've been recording. They have got quite long. So without further ado, today's video is another Poundland haul. And I have got my reusable Mickey and Minnie bag, which I think is super adorable. And I just shopped until the bag was full. So there are mostly toys inside this bag, so this is more like a Poundland toy review, but I did pick up something that I thought looked delicious. I bought these Roses cake bars. Love Roses chocolates. If you guys have not tasted it, Cadbury's do really good chocolate. They are valid until January 2021. They definitely won't last that long. And they're orange cream bars. So let's go ahead and open these. These little Cadbury's bars are £1. I do know that that's pretty standard across the board. Inside the pack, you're getting a pack of 5. And this is what they look like. They're just in a little orange wrapper. And chocolate covered. And let's just see if we can break it. Look at that orange cream. Okay, these are not really breakable, but they're gorgeous orange cream. One of my favorites. I love orange cream with chocolate and that chocolate against the cream and the orange is so delicious. Super, super tasty. Really, really good. So these will be a nice little snack for me for later. We'll leave that one and finish it off a bit later. Let's see what else we've got inside this pack. Poundland are doing a really nice range of craft items, and I love doing craft. I am going to do, in an up-and-coming video, some craft, Poundland crafts that I got, and we'll go through them and see how easy they are. This is a little mobile. It's a, sorry guys, that chocolate is just staying with me. It's a make your own plywood mobile. And this is what it looks like. Super adorable, super cute. This is a really good gift idea if you have a friend who's had a baby and you'd like to make them something a little special. This is super cute and adorable. So this is our first item. That was only £1. I don't think it'll stand up, but that's okay. What else have we got? Okay, guys, this I thought was a really good value. This is a little wild animal pack. It's for 0 to 3 years old, and inside it are a ton of little animals. Love the fact that you get a little animal on the top. Let's see if we can open this up and take a look inside. It is taped, sealed shut. Let's just get the tape off and see if we can get this open. Okay. My gosh, this is tough. Let's get the tape off. There we go. There we go. And inside you have, let me tilt you guys down so you can see, you have an abundance of little animals. Oh, and I like the fact that you get little props to stage a scene. So you can do this. Oh, I'm not very delicate, unfortunately, but we can prop them here. We've got a little bush. I don't know where this goes, but you can do something with that. And then you've got a lot of different little wild and farm animals. I think they're really cute. I love the little cactus. It's adorable. Puppy right there. We do get this little egg. Is there something inside it? No. So it's just a little dinosaur egg. So that's cute. And you're getting a lot of different little animals inside this pack. So we have, this to me looks like a sheepdog. You've got a little chicken. You've got your dinosaur egg, which is adorable. You've got your little bits to make your scene. There's so much inside this pack for £1. These are just the little animals. I think this is a buffalo, a goat, a little cat, cute, a couple of different cows, and a little dog. And I like the fact that it has the little animal head on the top as your stopper. I just thought that was cute and adorable. Really, really pretty. If you guys have any birthdays coming up, they're always good to pop into a little birthday bag as an extra little treat. Let's see what else we got. Okay, these are adorable. I bought these cute little plush lions with these really funky manes. These are only £1 each. I think are super adorable. Love the red hair. The hair on the top of these little plushes is super soft. They're squishy. There's no parts in them that would be harmful, which I really like, and they're adorable. These are made by Bananas, and they're super cute and adorable. Look how cute these are. This guy is getting his eyes covered. So they were cute and adorable little plushes at £1 each. I think that is adorable. Well, these right here, just so you guys can see, let's go right inside our bag. Okay, I bought this for a friend. I think reward charts are a great way of incentivizing kids to do chores around the house. And what you can actually do is if they get so many stickers on their reward chart, you can give them a treat. I just think it's a good way to motivate kids into doing their chores, and it's a good way to reinforce positive actions. So inside this little reward chart, this is a Disney Frozen 2 reward chart. It was £1, which I thought was awesome. You're getting 2 reward charts, 3 sticker sheets, and 1 felt tip pen. So let's go ahead and pop this out of the packet and we'll have a wee look and see what we've got here. So you get your pen, which is upside down, is cute. Believe in the journey. That's adorable. You've got your sticker packs, which are cute and adorable. You've got Elsa, Anna, you've got Sven, you've got Olaf, and we have Chris, I think it's Christian or Christian. I'm not sure. And then you have your 2 reward charts, both exactly the same, and they're super adorable. You can mark off, you can give them a sticker, and when it comes to the end, if they get to the full end of the week and get all reward stars, you can give them a little treat. You can also put their name on the top. So if you have 2 kids or 2 girls or 2 boys who like Frozen, whichever, you can use these cute, adorable little reward charts just to show their great work. So I thought that was adorable. Let's see what else we've got inside this bag. Okay, guys. I really love Care Bears. It's definitely a program of my youth, and I just thought this was cute and adorable. This little item only cost £1. I know these are more expensive to buy elsewhere, so when I saw this and they only had 1, I picked it up. Inside this little box, you're getting a money box, and you get a set of paints and a brush, and you can paint your own money box. You do not have to keep to the colors that are here. You can change it up, but I just thought this was a cute little, this is actually completely sealed, so we're going to keep it sealed. It's just a cute little way of doing an activity, some parent-child bonding. I mean, I love doing things like that, so these little activities for me are definitely a plus. Like it says in the box, you're getting the money box, you're getting 6 paints, and you're getting a paintbrush. So that is adorable and cute, and that will keep the kids entertained. We also got more little plushes. These are cutesy, adorable. There's a little bit of fluff on this one. Cutesy, adorable little mermaid plushes. They are gorgeous. Also made by Bananas, the same people who make the little lions. And I just thought these would be adorable. I do have some young girls in my family, and I like to make them up a little birthday pack. So I will put these away for that, but they're super soft, adorable, and I love the little star in their hair. They're super, super cute. And we'll just pop those off to the side. What else do we have inside this bag? Okay, these, I really like Trolls. I know a lot of people like Trolls. This is a little 3D Trolls World Tour eraser. It is adorable. I don't know what this guy's name is, but he has the biggest smile and the cutest little plump face. Totally adorable. And he has this grey, really stretched out hair. So these are all of the little others that you can get in the collection. I know I have bought Poppy. I really would love to get all of these. I just haven't seen them. I've seen Poppy and I've seen this guy, but they are super cute and adorable. I saw flip-flops. I know we're in winter, but these flip-flops were super cute. They had these little flip-flops on offer. They were £2. They were down to £1. I don't really know what size these are, but I plan to donate these closer to the summer. So I'm not really bothered about the size. But I just thought they are Captain America. They're Avengers, Marvel licensed products. And I just thought they were cute and adorable and super comfy. These have a really thick sole, so they're not one of those pairs that when you stand on them you can feel a little button at the back. They're really thick and robust. For £1 I thought they were adorable, and we definitely had to pick them up. We'll pop those right there. Guys, only one more thing inside this bag, and it's something I've showed you guys before, but I never really got around to doing this as an activity. I kind of wanted to, but I bought it and then I gave it away to a friend of mine because she her daughter really liked it, so I gave it to her, and that's fine. But this is a Shrinky Dinks ballerina jewelry. It's make bracelets and earrings, and the premise of this is that you get all of these little Shrinky Dinks, you color them in, you pop them in the oven, and they shrink to 1/3 of its original size. And then what you can do is you can put it on a little bracelet, which is here. You can put it on a little necklace, and you've got earrings, earring hooks to make little earrings. And I just think this is a fun, cute activity. It's definitely going to form a video with me doing these little Shrinky Dinks. But I just thought this was cute. So inside this pack, which only cost £1, by the way, you're getting 10 pre-cut Shrinky Dinks. They're plastic artwork shapes. You're getting a chain bracelet, 2 earring hooks, 10 jump rings, an elastic loop you can make a hairband with. That's awesome. 8 coloring pencils, and then a set of easy instructions. I just think this is cute and adorable, and definitely something that if you have a young child and you want to, spend some bonding time with, I definitely think these types of activities are super, super fun. So guys, that is everything in my Poundland haul. I had a lot of fun buying all this stuff. I always do. And I love showing you guys what I get, because I get so excited when I go shopping, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. I have to have that. So I hope you guys really liked this video. And if you did, please don't forget to smash that like button. Every time you guys smash that like button, it really helps support my channel. So please keep on supporting. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way you guys will be up to date with all of my latest videos. I hope you all have an amazing day. I'm going to catch you next time, and I'll see you later. Bye.